Hey guys, Tim at BigToolRack here, just out here in the workshop with Buster, and we are building racks, and I've got something to show you here. This is our new Platinum kit. But before we get into that, I want you to look at this new Ultimate Rack. This is an Ultimate Rack. This is how it comes standard. Everything you see on it right now comes standard with the rack. You get your grass trimmer holder, your 3 rubber strap tool holders, your 2 4-hole tool holders, and drop down hooks. You get 4 drop down hooks. Like I said, just the way you see it's the way it comes. Comes with a lot of stuff, and it's perfect for everyone. But some people have a lot of tools, and they need more stuff. They need more holders, more tool holders. So we came out with this Platinum kit, and part of the reason we came out with the Platinum kit is because people kept asking me, what do you put on your rack, and how do you want your rack outfitted? Well, obviously I have it this way, but I add a few other things to it. We add this 5-in-1 tool holder. This is all part of the Platinum kit, everything you see here. So the 5-in-1 tool holder will come with all the mounting hardware, the Rubber Grommet Kit, plastic saw guard to protect the teeth on your chainsaw. So this will hold the chainsaw and other tools as well. So you'll be able to hold 4 long handle tools and your chainsaw. You'll notice there's cutouts in it. These like pie-shaped cutouts are for hanging our S-beaners on and tying different things to it. So very functional, our #1 accessory. That's why we made it part of the Platinum kit. So that's one. The other thing you'll get with the Platinum kit is 2 more rubber strap tool holders. You have 3 of them on here already that come standard with it, but the 2 other ones will go up on the top here. And you'll also get, and that, just to mention that comes with 1 strap. And I want to bring that up because a lot of people ask, they think that they should get 2 straps with this particular holder. On these holders, you'll notice the straps are in 2 different positions. The way they fasten, if you look at them closely, this is more forward, this is more back. So that's for a bigger handle tool, this is for a smaller handle tool. So you will put the strap where you would like it in place. So that's how that is set up. So you'll get 2 of those. You'll also get our grass trimmer kit. So this grass trimmer kit, you'll get 4 straps because the pole will be the same size. Now this will hold a grass trimmer, it'll hold a pole saw and other long handle tools. So this will go on the other side of the rack. If you look over here, this is the one that comes standard. It's the same exact thing you're gonna put on the other side. A lot of guys like to carry their grass trimmer and a pole saw or something else like that. So that's part of the kit. And you also get our GearBag. This is a really hot seller as well. This goes on the rack. It'll hold your cell phone, your water bottles, all your small stuff, small hand tools, first aid kit. It's a great spot for that. So I'm gonna put this on the rack so you can see it, but you just want to pan over to the rack again and just see that. That is exactly how it would come standard. You can't see the back of it right now, but there's 2 small bins on the back. Also a counterweight bracket on the back. That all comes standard. So I'll just put this on. This is where I like to put the GearBag. You can put it really anywhere you want, but it just clips on very easily back here. And like I said, it's a great spot to carry your small stuff. This one here, like I said, this is our #1 seller. You can put this on there, or you can put a chainsaw holder on here, just a standard chainsaw holder. We have that as well, but this is popular because you get to hold some more tools with it. And it doesn't take up much space. And all this stuff, all the holes on the rack are all pre-drilled. It's all planned for, so there's no drilling. Everything's just bolt on. All right, and I'm gonna put everything on loose, just so we'll go back and we'll tighten everything up. So this will give these UTHs, we call them universal tool holders. This will give you the ability to hold, like if you want an axe or you want another long handle tool up here. It just gives you more tool storage. Very simple to put on. And lastly, the trimmer kit. this on, go around, tighten everything up. It's probably like less than a 5-minute install for everything, but it will give you a lot more carrying capability. All right, Buster, can I take the tools from you? Okay, bud? My helper. That is it. I'm just gonna put the rubber straps on. But like I said, it's like a 5-minute install, if that. And this is our ultimate rack with the Platinum upgrade kit. And that is it. So now you can carry chainsaws and so many long handle tools and axes and everything you need out on your property. Thanks for watching, everybody.